Welcome to the new era of portable lighting devices. The TL-100 brings you an exceptional lighting experience. Lightweight and compact, yet powerful enough to meet your lighting needs in various settings. Working in the dark becomes extremely challenging, affecting both efficiency and safety. The TL-100 portable lighting eliminates darkness, enhancing your work efficiency and safety. Whether it's nighttime repairs or emergency rescues, the TL-100 is your reliable partner, easy to carry, quickly ready for work. With four adjustable brightness levels, the TL-100 adapts to various scenarios, from Eco mode to Turbo mode. Eco mode, 450 lumens, ideal for long-term low-energy lighting. Balanced mode, 1500 lumens, provides gentle and even lighting. Standard mode, 2500 lumens, a strong beam suitable for various work environments. Turbo mode, 4000 lumens, extreme brightness that illuminates every inch of darkness. The TL-100 sits stably on the ground, providing comprehensive illumination. One-button switch design makes operation easy, even in the dark. Using rechargeable lithium batteries, it provides an ultra-long battery life. Powerful battery life ensures uninterrupted work for extended periods, enhancing efficiency without the need for frequent battery change. Easy to operate, effortlessly unfold and store. A simple tap on the head quickly retracts the light, allowing easy use anytime, anywhere. Our device can also be used handheld, like a large flashlight, offering convenience and flexibility to meet your diverse needs. No matter how complex the work environment, the TL-100 provides reliable lighting support. TL-100, enhancing every efficient and safe working moment.